Hi friends, today we're going to be breaking down the 3 major things you need to be doing for you to land a remote job from anywhere in the world without a degree. Stay tuned. If this is your first time here, my name is Yusuf. I'm a remote software developer living in Bangalore, India. The 3 topics we're going to be talking about are 1. Your portfolio, online presence, and engaging with the community. The timestamp of all these topics will be linked in the description below if you want to skip to a topic. For me, this is the first step you need to take when you're getting into software development. I don't mean having big projects like the likes of Twitter, Instagram. Most employers want to see if you're capable of creating big things or solving the problems they're bringing to you. For me, the first thing I did was trying to imitate things like Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, making clones of the app because I started with React Native. I wanted to get into all these little things for me to put it in my portfolio. So when I'm presenting myself to a client or presenting myself to an employer, I don't get stuck and say, when he says, where is your portfolio? What work have you done? So this should be the basic thing you should do or you should create. There are so many ideas for you to get your portfolio stacked. If you want me to make a video on that, please comment down below. Online presence, I cannot stress this enough because when I was starting React Native, for example, I went online, I started posting my progress, people were seeing it, people were liking it, I was communicating with people, I was going around commenting on other people's posts, genuine posts, not the fake posts, putting myself out there to make sure I get noticed, because after portfolio you need to push yourself out there. The no-go area for this is lying or trying to steal people's posts so that you can get yourself famous. Maybe you might get famous by lying or stealing other people's posts, but on the long run you won't achieve the goal of becoming a remote developer, or you won't achieve a goal of becoming a software developer. The last topic we're going to be talking about in this video will be engaging in the community. This is after everything, like this is the icing on the cake. So after you are done with portfolio, you're done with social media presence. You cannot be done with social media presence, but after the next step after those things are engaging, or during social media presence is engaging. You need to get people in the same path, people that are trying to learn, people that are better than you. Ask them questions. Some people might be learning something else. You might be learning React Native, the other person might be learning Node.js, or the other person might be learning React.js. You need to communicate with all those people to get ideas from them. Pick up things that you have not learned before. If you find this video useful, please give it a like, or if you have any question, please comment it down below. I will answer your question. Thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Goodbye.